Rasulullah SAWW mentioned about morals as Al-Islamu Husnul Khulq. Islam is the name of good morals. Rasul Aqli Bada Dini Atawaddudu. After religion, the biggest wisdom is to treat people with love. He who is deprived of soft conversation is deprived of goodness. فَإِذَا حَبَّ اللَّهُ عَبْدًا مَنَحَهُ خُلْقًا حَسَنًا. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves a person, He blesses him with good morals. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Innama bu'istu liyutammima makarim al-akhlaq." I have been sent to fulfill high morals. أول ما يوضع في ميزان العبد يوم القيامة حسن خلقه. On the day of judgment, the first thing in the scale of a person's actions will be his good morals. عاملوا الناس بأخلاقكم تسلموا من غوائلهم. Deal with people with good morals. In this way, you will avoid their sufferings. Husnu khulqika yukhafifullahu hisabak. Make your morals good. It will reduce your accountability. Al khulqul hasanu yazibul khataya. Good morals melt away faults.